Hello guys, we are here now at the Croisette and at the Cannes Lions Festival, and with me is Johnny Vulkan from the agency Anomaly. Johnny, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Johnny Vulkan. I'm one of the founders of Anomaly. Until 3 weeks ago I lived in New York, but now I've moved back to London as we start our plans to grow a bit more across Europe.
And you have big news for us Germans. You are entering Berlin now with Anomaly. What do you expect to meet there?
Well, we're very excited to be opening in Berlin. It's a city we've wanted to open in for a long time, and I think various things have come together to make it a perfect time. We've seen a lot of exciting tech startups. We've seen a lot of talent move to the city. The great creative companies are opening, and I think it definitely feels that the Berlin market and the German market are at a really exciting moment in time. We wanted to come and be part of that and help grow with that as well.
Now, I know that Anomaly is not a typical agency. You're very purpose-driven. How would you describe your purpose, and what is Anomaly?
Yeah, so the clue is always in the name. We didn't want to be categorized as any type of particular creative industry. We're not an ad agency, we're not a design agency, we're not a digital agency, we're not a consultancy, but we are a bit of all of those things. And really our main purpose was to answer real business problems for our clients and do that in creative ways. So we have no vested interest in answering with an ad or with a digital solution. We're just interested in getting to ask the right question for the client's business and really solve their business problems and use creativity to do that. That's the basic principle.
So if I would apply and want to work with you for your company, what would my bio have to look like?
It's a good question. If you want to come and work for Anomaly, then the most important thing is that you are curious about a lot of things. We love it if you are great at one thing, and that might be quite a conventional thing. It might be you're a great designer, or you might be a great copywriter, a great artist, a great digital thinker, but we like people that have great empathy for all the marketing disciplines and are generally curious about life and about marketing and about business and feel comfortable with change and ambiguity. I mean, we started our company in 2013, the same year that Facebook did. 2004, the same year that Facebook did 13 years ago. And we've seen a lot of change in that time. And I think we definitely don't think we have a fixed model. We feel like we will always keep growing and keep changing. And we want people to join the company that have that same view on life and are excited about change and embrace it.
Great. So, well, yeah, that should work for me. Yeah, we should talk. You're coming to Germany, and you probably know that Germans are not they're special. Let's say it that way. What do you know already about the Germans? Like, what impression do you have?
I mean, I think it's too easy, certainly as an English person, to go to cliches. But I think from German friends and from spending some time in Germany in the last couple of years, I think Germans are very community focused and fairly conservative and cautious generally. And I think we've seen much slower uptake of some technology platforms. I think people like Uber have struggled in Germany. I think there is more cynicism around the big technology platforms, and I think that's part of a slightly conservative nature to the German market. But at the same time, with that conservatism comes a great deal of thoughtfulness, and I think that's why there is so much rigor in German thinking. I think that plays out so well in German engineering, German business acumen, and as the biggest economy in Europe, it's very clear that the Germans do a lot very well, and I think there's a lot that we can learn from the German way of doing things. So I think for us it's about understanding the German market, having high empathy for the German market and German psyche, not trying to impose any particular model on Germany, but understanding how we might help. And I think for us that'll be a mix of German talent, international talent, and really working out what flavor of Anomaly is going to come to bear in the German marketplace.
Great. I'm honestly, I'm really excited. I hope you are too. Well, best of luck, and good, successful years in Germany.
Thank you very much. We're super excited to be coming, and hopefully I'll get to meet some of the viewers very soon. Cheers.
So this was Johnny Vulkan from Anomaly for Horizont Online, and bye-bye.
See you soon. Bye.